Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Tempest Tarot deck by Maisy Bristol. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $21.95 in the US. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. And of course, down in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Okay, Tempest Tarot invites you on a nautical adventure to explore the mysteries and secrets of the oceanic realm. As you venture out beyond the shoals to those deep places that challenge you to seek the treasures of inner truth, you will find your perspective shifting. Mythic sea creatures, jaunty pirates, and enchanting sea maidens help you navigate the 78 cards of tarot, beckoning you toward new horizons of self-discovery. Includes 72-page booklet of meanings with special card spreads. I am excited because if you know me, and it's a tuck box. If you know me, you know that I love mermaids, the sea, pirates, and all of that. So I am quite excited to see a new mermaid oceanic tarot deck. So before we get into the cards, which by the way, that back is calling me, let's take a peek at the guidebook here. Got an introduction. The imagery of this deck is based on the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. It might be helpful to look at the Rider-Waite and Tempest cards side by side as you grow in familiarity with this deck. Oh, it goes right into the card meanings. I do want to take a peek at the spreads here. Oh, cool. All right. We have the 3-card tarot spread with different questions below, the Celtic Cross spread, and the treasure map spread. How fun! Oh, we have one more, the Tempest Tarot spread. The word tempest means storm. All right, I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. Okay, look at the tentacles. That's so fun. All right, let's check the cardstock. Nice. This is the US Game Systems quality cardstock where it's that medium thickness and it is sturdy but snaps back. Love that. Okay, we've got a little bit of a gloss to it. I wouldn't call it high gloss at all. We've got a border, number up top, title down below. Oh, that's fun. I like the minimal colors here and the line art. Oh, I love it. Oh, how fun is this? Oh, and I love that she's wrapped around him too. This is kind of fun. Okay, I am very, oh my gosh, how cute. I'm very excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of cheeky. Oh, in the middle of the compass, you see the scale there with the moon and the sun. Oh, a trident upside down. It might be a little hard for beginners, but I think that, yeah, if you use a reference guide or a resource, well, check out the guidebook, but it can be used. It can be utilized. You can learn on this. Interesting. Oh. I really like this. Oh, the lighthouse has the sun. Perfect. Oh. Okay, so far I absolutely love it. Oh, we have the telescope for wands. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's got stuff going on with it to give you context clues and to let your intuition kind of take over. How fun. Oh. All right. Cups. Oh, they're kids. Oh, she has a little friend in her mug. Oh, he comes with the mug for you as well. And we got swords. Oh, I love that. Cannon fire. Oh, that imagery is cool. Okay, yeah, I really enjoy this. It's serious but fun at the same time. I don't know how to explain the vibe that I'm getting from this. It just feels very cheeky to me, and I like that. Okay, and pentacles. Well, you gotta work together when you run a tight ship like that. There's something nostalgic about this art style too. Okay, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I could be absolutely biased as well because of the subject matter, but I do feel like the art is fun even though it's minimalistic. And I feel like the symbolism is there. Oh, we're going to read for that one, but yeah, it shuffles great. I like the size of it. That back is so fun. All right, so we're going to read the guidebook for the Six of Pentacles. Okay, upright, charity, giving, abundance, and gifts. Reversed, giving too much, needing or refusing help. Imagery. Most of us know the feeling all too well when we give everything we have to someone who doesn't appreciate it. Well, the Six of Pentacles represents just that. In the card, we see someone handing some change to another person in an act of charity. It's all about giving, whether that be money, time, or energy, all pentacle things. From a positive standpoint, the Six of Pentacles represents benevolence. From a more negative standpoint, it can show overgenerosity or refusing to help when you need it. All right. And then I will say that the Major Arcana will give you the planet or the zodiac sign that it is coordinated to. So there's just enough information to help you get by. I love that it addresses the imagery and helps you kind of break that down. It gives you enough in the guidebook here. So like I said, if you feel like you need a little bit more, a tarot reference guide will help you with that. A bigger book that's based upon the Rider-Waite Smith. But oh my gosh, this imagery is so fun. I love the images that they chose for the Major Arcana, and then the suits, what they chose for that as well. This is just so fun. Again, it feels nostalgic, and it feels like something that high schooler me would have ate up. This probably would have been like my first deck should I had been in high school at the time, because I was obsessed. Still am, quite frankly, with pirates and mermaids and the lore. So very cool. I love the quality. The price tag is great. If you love anything pirates, mermaids, ocean, you will probably love this deck. I think it's great. Like I said, beginners, it might be a little bit tough of it going on the first couple times you use this, but with the guidebook, you should be fine. And then it's a good deck to learn on as well. I feel like you'll get a lot of insight from the imagery. So please let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite mermaid or ocean creature in the comment to let me know you have. Thank you again to US Game Systems. I'm so excited to get to know this on a more personal level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.